Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing contact suggestions from the share screen on iPhone and iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. By default, when you share something on iOS 16, it shows you a list of people in your contacts to potentially share the item with. Here is how to remove this feature from your iPhone or iPad. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and open Siri and Search. In Siri and Search settings, scroll down until you see the Suggestions from Apple section. Disable the option called Show when sharing. Contacts will no longer show on the sharing screen of your iPhone. You can come back here to enable them again at any time. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.